Hello everyone! Today we will talk about a very familiar ingredient that almost every family has, garlic. But did you know that garlic is not only a spice in dishes, but also a superfood that helps improve overall health? Many people have used garlic to strengthen the immune system, improve cardiovascular health, and even reduce the risk of cancer. But how to make the most of the benefits of garlic? In this video, we will learn together the wonderful health benefits of garlic, how to use garlic properly to achieve the highest efficiency, and finally, important notes you need to know when using garlic. Prepare a pen and paper to take notes. Garlic has been used for thousands of years in traditional medicine, and modern science has also proven many benefits of garlic. Here are the highlights. First, garlic helps strengthen the immune system. Garlic contains allicin, a compound with strong antibacterial and antiviral properties. Research has shown that people who eat garlic regularly are less likely to get colds, and if they do get sick, they recover faster. Second, garlic is good for heart health. Garlic helps reduce bad cholesterol in the blood, increase good cholesterol, and especially helps lower blood pressure naturally. This is why many people use garlic as a method to support the treatment of cardiovascular diseases. Third, garlic has anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving effects. With its ability to reduce inflammation, garlic is very beneficial for people with arthritis or other chronic inflammatory conditions. Fourth, garlic helps support digestion. If you often have intestinal problems, garlic may be the solution. Garlic helps increase beneficial bacteria in the intestines, thereby improving the digestive system. Finally, garlic has anti-cancer properties. The antioxidants in garlic help protect cells from damage, reducing the risk of cancers such as stomach cancer and colon cancer. So how to use garlic most effectively? Here are some ways you can apply every day. 1. Eat raw garlic. Raw garlic contains the most allicin, but to activate allicin, you need to crush or chop the garlic and let it sit for about 10 minutes before eating. This helps the enzymes in garlic work and release nutrients. If the taste is too strong, you can mix garlic with honey to make it easier to eat. 2. Garlic soaked in honey. This is a great way to boost the immune system. You just need to peel 200 grams of garlic, soak it with 300 milliliters of honey in a sealed glass jar. Leave it for about 2 weeks and use 1 to 2 spoons every morning. This is a very effective way to supplement energy and protect your health. 3. Garlic in cooking. If you are not used to eating raw garlic, you can add garlic to dishes such as fried garlic, stir-fried with vegetables, or cooked in soups. However, note that you should not cook garlic at too high a temperature, as this can destroy important nutrients. 4. Drink garlic juice. To make garlic juice, you just need to puree 3 to 4 cloves of garlic with warm water, then filter the water to drink. This is a quick way to absorb nutrients from garlic. If the smell is too strong, add a little lemon juice. 5. Use black garlic. Black garlic is fermented garlic, which has a much higher antioxidant content than regular garlic. You can eat 1 to 2 cloves of black garlic directly every day as a snack. Notes when using garlic. Although garlic is very good, you also need to pay attention to the following. 1. Do not overdose. Eating too much garlic, especially raw garlic, can irritate the stomach, affect the liver, and even cause bad breath. You should only eat 1 to 5 cloves of garlic per day. 2. Who should not use garlic? If you have stomach problems or low blood pressure, be careful when using garlic. In addition, people preparing for surgery should avoid using garlic because garlic can thin the blood. 3. Garlic and medications. Garlic can interact with some medications, especially anticoagulants or HIV medications. So if you are taking medication, consult your doctor before using garlic regularly. So we have learned about the great benefits of garlic, how to use garlic properly, and things to keep in mind when using garlic. Remember, garlic is a precious gift from nature, but it only works if you use it properly. If you find this video useful, please like and share it to reach more people. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on interesting and useful health videos in the future. See you in the next videos.